The min function comes under Excel statistical functions. This will return the minimum value in a given list of arguments. I am going to find the minimum value in a range of cells. That is smallest value. After putting equal sign, give min function and select cells. Or in Formulas tab, click drop down arrow of more functions, then statistical and min function. Or we can search functions by clicking FX button in formula bar. In the insert function window, we can search for function. Click OK. Now it will open the function arguments window. Select the cell range and OK. Here we got the minimum value. Next, I am going to find out the biggest value. So that we need the max function. And I am going to do the same thing. Click FX button. In the insert function window, search for max function. In the function arguments window, select the range and click OK.